For decades, if not centuries, mankind has been looking at the stars, asking ourselves from time to time, are there others out there? Knowing how big the universe is, it's impossible not to think about the possibility of life beyond Earth. In fact, we might already be well on our way to finding them. Last year has been particularly incredible for UFO enthusiasts and alien hunters, with the release of a bombshell UFO report, the alien junk in our solar system, and more new clues about extraterrestrial life. Hey folks, this is the Tipsy Alien Channel, and today we are counting down 9 things we learned about aliens in 2021. Number 9. UFOs are probably real, and the government knows it. 144 UFO sightings occurred between 2004 and 2021, according to a Pentagon assessment issued in June. To examine the threat presented by unidentified aerial phenomenon, or UAP for short, the study formally verified various sightings that had only been reported through viral media up to that point. According to a brief 9-page review, most of the UAP identified undoubtedly actually represent tangible things, which include anything from birds and balloons to foreign spying equipment and top-secret U.S. government programs. There were 144 contacts. However, unfortunately, the study failed to relate any of them to extraterrestrial activities. Number 8. Powerful alien black holes may exist in the universe. A research published in the journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society in July advises that scientists should not neglect nature's most extreme objects, black holes. According to the authors of the study, black holes might be an enticing target for extraterrestrial civilizations wishing to fuel their interplanetary ventures due to a black hole's ability to emit up to 100,000 times more energy than a star like our Sun. Aliens may employ Dyson spheres, which are huge, energy-siphoning orbs to extract energy from a disk of white-hot matter spinning around a black hole's horizon, and then radiate that energy forth into space in order to do this. According to the study, this re-radiated energy might be detected from Earth by astronomers. There is a search underway for these signs in the existing telescope data, and the researchers are working on techniques to find them faster. Till then, let's keep our fingers crossed. Number 7. Alien worlds may not resemble our own at all. Normally, the hunt for extraterrestrial life begins with the search for planets that resemble our own, but a research published in the August issue of the Astrophysical Journal suggests that there may be another type of extraterrestrial globe that is just as favorable to life. Hydrogen-rich atmospheres and massive seas of liquid water on hydrocean planets up to 2.5 times Earth's size may be excellent habitats for microbes like extremophiles that live in Earth's harshest settings, such hydrothermal vents, according to the study's authors. The Milky Way galaxy is full of these planets, but they are also immensely varied, with some circling near to their home star, while others are distant from it. According to the authors, both worlds might have microscopic life, opening up a whole new field of investigation for those searching for extraterrestrial worlds. Number 6. The Perseverance rover is finding clues to alien life in Martian soil. On February 18, 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover, also known as Percy to his buddies, made a tense touchdown in Mars' Jezero Center. Astrobiologists and SETI are eager to learn more about the red planet because it may have previously been livable. We can learn a lot more about the origins of life if we can determine whether or not life ever existed on Mars. In a forthcoming mission, Percy will return to Earth with its first sample of Martian rock. It also produced photos that bolstered the theory that Jezero Crater had been flooded in the past. Not to mention Ingenuity, Percy Jackson's trusty small helicopter, which flew with him all the way to Mars. It was Ingenuity's aircraft that was the first to successfully fly on a planet other than Earth. Having learned from the helicopter's performance, future missions will have a better understanding of how aircraft might be used to explore for intriguing exploration areas. Number 5. Complex molecules associated with life spotted in space. For the first time, scientists found complex carbon-bearing molecules critical to the development of life in space. Scientists have long believed that these molecules are abundant in the universe, and in March, the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia detected the first definitive radio signatures from them. SETI Institute researchers are working on a database of infrared signals from these complex molecules for future observations using the James Webb Space Telescope that was launched in December. Further research will help humans understand how life originates and the conditions it needs to thrive throughout the universe. Number 4. Potential for life still exists on one of Saturn's moons. According to a research published in June, the methane emitted by Enceladus, Saturn's sixth biggest moon, might be a hint that life exists under the moon's surface. The tiger stripe cracks at Enceladus's south pole were identified by NASA's Cassini-Saturn mission in 2005. In addition to water, the orbiter identified a range of carbon-containing organic chemicals, including methane, in the geysers. That material is expected to come from a large ocean of liquid water under the moon's ice crust. It was determined that the molecules might represent evidence of microorganisms that consume dihydrogen and create methane as waste in a new study, which was published just this year. According to the researchers, the planet's gassy geysers might definitely be caused by methane-farting bacteria, which means that life on the frozen moon isn't out of the question. Number 3. Scientists may be overlooking alien technology in our own solar system. Oumuamua, a cigar-shaped object that sped past our solar system in 2017, is almost probably a piece of extraterrestrial technology, according to Harvard scientist Avi Loeb's new book, Extraterrestrial: The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth. According to Loeb, Oumuamua has been called an alien spacecraft because of its odd, elongated form, unlike any known comet, tremendous brightness, and apparent acceleration away from the sun. How would our solar system fare if Oumuamua was launched into our solar system by an extraterrestrial civilization in order to search for signals? Now that's a question that keeps me awake at night. But what do you think? Leave a comment below and let us know. Number 2. Many extraterrestrial worlds might have seen the development of humanity. There might be more than 1,700 extraterrestrial civilizations out there that may have been monitoring us for thousands of years prior to the dawn of human exploration of the universe. A research published in Nature in June found that 1,715 neighboring star systems have had a flawless view of Earth throughout the previous 5,000 years, and more than 1,400 of them still have a clean view today. More than 75% of these stars are fewer than 100 light-years distant from the Earth. According to research author Lisa Kaltenegger, an associate professor of astronomy and director of Cornell University's Carl Sagan Institute, our radio waves would have flowed over them already, given that humans have been broadcasting radio signals for nearly 100 years. Whether or if any conceivable civilization residing in those star systems are interested in communicating with us is another matter entirely. Number 1. Ganymede may or may not be capable of life since it emits water vapor. Astrobiologists have long been intrigued by the possibility that some of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons may harbor life, and Hubble photos show that Ganymede's atmosphere contains a significant amount of water vapor. The finding of water on this moon will stimulate additional investigation since it is so vital to life on Earth. And there you go, folks. Tipsy Aliens: 9 Things We Learned About Aliens in 2021. If you found our list interesting, leave a like and subscribe for even more interesting content. Click the bell icon and never miss a video. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, good hunting.